Okay, we've got our Crescent torque wrench here. So this is perfect for working on like air conditioning units where you need to have very specific torque tightening measurements on components and piping. So you can set your torque here by screwing the handle up or down. When you need that, when you have it at the proper torque, you lock that in place, and then hear that click. That's what will happen when it meets your set torque. So perfect for this type of work, anything that you need to have a specific torque tight measurement on using a crescent wrench.